Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah, anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky. So vlog girl right about now, you don't know say me there, and it's another day. So you don't know say it's another vlog. Right. And today, I'm not sure what I want for today, you know. Yo, I don't know why me even do the part of vlog, yeah. Because I know me always I go say what I want. I don't know what I go do today. We are going to plan something for today. But today, you don't know what we are going to do. We are going to plan something for today. Yo, I see grill and me instantly, I think both for throw some swimmers on the grill. But if I do that, I have to go buy coal and all of them something which I don't want to do right now. So I'll probably save that until Sunday. And if we are doing nothing until I just dash in the oven. So blessings and respect always. Keep on smashing the like button because it helps me. Keep on comment because it helps me. Big up on yourself. I'm there. I'm going to bring you up on the journey. Chabas about to fall downstairs and we get the vlog started. Right? Properly. Chabas discover Clover. What you say name?
Clover. I'm a leprechaun, guys.
So you're talking about the answers. Yeah, you're a leprechaun, so you're a runner. Go here. Watch ya. Go on. Yeah, we have got that show there sitting here right now. Go here. The man goes stamp in the ants nest. Right in the ants nest.
They buy that free.
What, they still have fire?
They buy that free.
How hot?
Make one buy.
Yeah. Dog, if man out there find clover and so you think he lucky. Yo, me don't know what they mean a salmon. And what last thing cook on the shrimp? A shrimp. A shrimp agro. Yo, this need we probably jerk today, we probably grill something, so we are gonna dash all of this because then coal are wet up. Then so Whitney have too much fish. So this is source of fish we eat over here. Yes guys, we are pescatarian. We do not consume meat unless it's Fridays. Oh, no need that so then there. May I take them out?
Yeah, right, from the clock. I probably demand to buy candy.
It's a colony. Yo, so one clover up on it. Yo, what is scallion? It's a scallion? Another time a grass.
Yeah, scallion.
A bush, a regular bush. Yo, see me pepper over here, so. Yo, no, me I wonder if a pepper tree them here. A pepper man. You have to be pepper. Yo, the AC and all the manners, you know. Me out there chat and then just kick on. Be nice. So once again, guys, I am right here. And I'm chilling with the snake. Me soon now comment as a famous. Leave the snake alone. Don't trouble the snake. You're afraid of the snake. Why you trouble him? Because me not listen. I do not listen. Okay, you see this drop down on here already. I signed that, you know. So me should probably listen. People, me no listen, so me I got trouble this snake today. Yeah, Ocha. I don't like how I move, you know. I don't like how I move. You can see if you can go closer and closer to you if you're afraid. I swear to you, I'm afraid. Me not what I do. Me not what I do. Me not trust you, me not what I do. Yo, every time I do it, me say, see me tell myself, say me not what I do it, and you see how me in here trouble him. You know, see how me in here trouble him. Jesus Christ, suppose strike off of me. Suppose strike off of me. Alright, me go do it. Hello there. Hi. It's me. Hey. Nah, do me nothing. A good snake, man. What's the chop? What's the chop? Yo, don't come so close to my phone, you know. We are dealing. Yo, we are dealing. man. Ease up, man, and not come so close to my phone. I'm here, my yours. Hey! You know, say not come so close to my phone. I'm gonna look up in the camera. Something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? Look like you're ready to strike. See people, me can't come in fear. I'm not afraid of him no more. Yo, me they too close. Too close, me they can't focus. Look there. Look there. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. When you talk a fix up. You're a freak! Yo, easy, flicking and tongue and something on my phone, you know. What's wrong with you? I'm using the phone touch you. Alright, I'm not trying to get no more. When you can't say me scared, I'm watching, that's right. Right now we are looking for the table. When down underneath, feel like a rock. You up underneath, watch it. Sleep you up underneath, sleep you know. Sleep you up underneath, sleep. That's all in though. Right now them are hibernate. So if I just swim around we consume. No, we consume chicken. You know what I mean? Sometimes we consume chicken and sometimes we consume chicken back. I mean now have the discussion here we're doing again. Chicken back is not chicken back is different from chicken back is better than chicken. Good day. Right now they may have some cartwheel. Some Portland cartwheel queer. Them dumpling are healthy in man, not sure. Man not big like me face. God man. Some G's them right about now, I just want to say, not what we did for do today, we not get for do because end up rain, mess up the whole day. Me just say, yo, and if you look out the door now, it look like it never rain in all 6 days. But who live in Florida or who visit Florida know how Florida weather stay. Rain right now, then the place dry, then it rain again. Then the place dry, then it rain again. It's just so Florida weather, bipolar and stay. But yeah, me dey want vlog tomorrow and add it to all of this so me have. But me I say yo, a 2 day now me not drop nothing. So me just go put this to what me have already and just shoot it out tonight. Well this evening. Me I go just add this to what me have before because me did a edit vlog. You know what I mean? So yeah, me just go on something for watch. For now, instead of me not post nothing, you know what I mean, or wait. But me just want some blessings and respect again for everybody we forward out and come watch this because we could have there anyway in the world, but the writers are watch a vlog here, so big up on yourself, me appreciate that. You know what I mean? Always remember, smash the like button if you don't do that already, and yeah, leave a comment. All if first, always tell you big up me Jesus, bad move, out.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a